what's up? It's me, Heidi Laree. So I come to you with a face of Boxycharm products. I tested out everything that I got in this month's box, in the May box. This is what it looks like. So everything in the box I used on my face, and this is my final result. So if you would like to see what is in this month's box for Boxycharm and see how the products perform and hang out with me and you know, then just keep watching. Hello. Okay, so this is May's Boxycharm, or the May Boxycharm. This month's Boxycharm. The theme is Mother Nature. Very Mother's Day themed, super pretty. It has all the products listed back here and how much they cost and everything, per usual. I'm super excited about this month's box. Let's jump on in. Okay, so the first product I want to try is, I'm really excited, it's the GlamGlow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So this is what it looks like. So the MSRP for this one is $49. The Boxycharm is only $26 a month. So that's a pretty good deal. Like, you already more than paid for your box just with this one, right? So we're going to try this out. I'm just going to put it on and leave it on and then go wash it off, the whole shebang with that, right? Leave on for 10 minutes. For best results, tissue off and smooth in any excess. So it's saying, if desired, rinse off and pat dry. Well, let's put it on and see what it looks like. Okay, putting on hand sanitizer. Going to take a little out and put it on. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like berries. You can't even see it. So I put it on. And you can't see it, but it's there. It just feels like a really intense moisturizer. And then follow with your normal skincare routine. So I'm just gonna leave it on and hope for the best. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is do my eyeshadow first, because the other things we got in the box, which I'm really excited about, is this Violet Voss palette, the Pro Series eyeshadow palette, Essentials, and then also an eyeshadow primer by Pretty Vulgar. And I've gotten the brand Pretty Vulgar in Boxycharms several times before, and I really like the brand, so I'm excited to try that. And then other than these two things, we just have a liquid lipstick left in the box, and also some Micellar Water, which is used to take off makeup. So I will do my eyes on camera and then just do the rest of my face makeup, and we'll go from there. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. It's got a nice mirror on top, and then these are the pretty shades. So I'm really excited to try this out. The MSRP on the Violet Voss Essentials palette is $29. The Essentials palette is a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finishes. Alright, and then I got winded. And then the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is $22 is the MSRP on that one. So yeah, we will try those together and see how it goes. We're just gonna, again, hope for the best with this mask, because it is pretty sticky, but maybe that'll be great for foundation. Maybe that'll be a mess for foundation. It's a mystery. So I'm going to get some eyeshadow primer. Brilliant. So it has the shade Sand right here that I think I'll just kind of put all over my crease. And then after that, I was going to go in with... Okay, so, hold on. I'm going to do Sand, and then also Dusty Rose, a little bit of Terracotta, a little bit of Cinnamon, also Pink and Plum Berry. I'm going to have a lot going on the eyes, so we'll see how it goes. Or I might change my mind. I don't know, let's find out. Sand. A little bit of Dusty Rose and a little bit of Cinnamon. It's all blending out really nice. The colors are super pigmented and pretty. Okay, so Cinnamon on the outer corners. Plum Berry, and then the pink. It's just called Pink. Woo! That is super pigmented. These shades are really amazing. I really like this palette. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back, and we can put on the liquid lipstick. Okay, I am back. I don't know what kind of witchcraft this mask is, woo! But it's amazing, and I love it, and it made my makeup so smooth. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this as a primer, probably not, but I will be from now on because it's awesome. So yeah, good stuff. Okay, so I added some Cinnamon and Dusty Rose under the eye, bottom shadow line. Here, this cream shade here for a highlight. See what it looks like. I like it. Okay. Alright. So we just have the liquid lipstick left. Looks like this. Super pretty. The brand is Appeal Cosmetics, and it's Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. Looks like the shade is Exposed. The MSRP is $21, and it's supposed to be a luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. The lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application. Alright, let's try it out. I should have opened this off camera. Everything's so hard. Opening. Oh, that actually was pretty easy. Okay, I apologize for being so dramatic. So this lipstick has a very unique feeling to it. It's not bad. I don't know if it's my favorite. It's obviously not going to dry matte because it has a cream satin finish to it. I like it. I don't know if I love it, but I like it. Plus, I have a hard time liking light shades on me. I don't know. I'm already so light. I personally think I look better in darker reds or mauve-y, you know. But it's pretty. It's a good lipstick. Okay, so the last thing I want to try is the last thing in the box, which is the Micellar Water, and it's from Tarte. The MSRP is $18. It is morning time, so I don't really want to take off all the makeup I just put on, so I think what I'm going to do is put some on my arm and take it off and see how this works. It's called cheating, but I don't want to take all my makeup off. I just put it on, man. Oh, yay! Okay. So, it is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear matte makeup. Yeah, without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Ooh. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh, okay. Oh, it's one of the ones where you like, you know, push the cotton pad on top and then. The one that I always use is the Garnier Micellar Water, and it comes out the top like you pour it. Anyway, so this one, you push on the top. Okay, let's try it. So I got a cotton pad here and a red lipstick. What I'm going to do is pop this open and slide it. So that's definitely just broken. Well done, Heidi, well done. I don't know what I thought was going to happen if I did that, but I still did it, so. Okay, this is a mess. I'm so sorry. All right, we're just pressing on. Here we go. Pushing down on that so it comes out. Okay. Oh, I thought it wasn't recording. Okay, so we have our gross looking arm here and we're just going to go like this. Nice. Cool. Takes it off for you. I love micellar water. I use it a lot. I like it better than like makeup removing wipes. I personally think micellar water works better. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Alright guys, well that brings us to the end of the products and the video. I really liked everything, except for I'm not a huge fan of the liquid lipstick. Not saying it's bad. It's not bad. I just personally, I don't really like lighter shades and I don't really like the cream liquid lipstick, so that's my own personal opinion on that. But everything else was fantastic. I love the eyeshadow palette. The shades are beautiful. They blend magnificently. I really liked the eyeshadow primer. Everything went on beautifully on top of it. The mask is amazing. Again, I don't know if I'm using it right. I don't know if I'm supposed to, like, it says you have the option on the back. I don't know if I'm supposed to wash it off before I put on makeup, but I didn't, and I love it. So yeah, I'm going to be using this as a primer, and I don't really care who knows it. So I love that one. And then of course micellar water was awesome too. Love it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and trying out this month's Boxycharm. It was a really good one this month and I'm really excited about the products I got. Subscribe if you would like to and give this video a thumbs up if you love new makeup, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys! Everything is awesome when you get Boxycharm. A moment of silence. Death of a great lipstick. I really love micellar. What in the heck?